Well, I'm a country chappie, and I'm 7 in Polmoon, a wee bit firm in Eaglesham, that fine old-fashioned tune. We gang we milk each morning, say early after 3. We tak the road recht merrily, the old black horse and me. Now the other morning early, at the Berlin we did pass, I chanced to get acquainted wi' a winsome country lass. Says, I'm a bonny lassie here, if ye're gain the airt, I'll drive you down to Glesga wi' my sour milk cart. Wi' her cheeks a Ridin rosy and her eens a bonny blue. We chancing and glancing, she pierced me through and through. She fairly took my fancy and she stole awa my heart, when riding down to Glesga wi' my sour milk cart. We cracked a water cantilly, side by side we sat, and wi' a blush she told me that her name was Maggie Watt. When passing by the water spit, we catches loud and clear. I put my arm around her waist and spackle in her ear. Wi' her cheeks a Ridin rosy and her eens a bonny blue. We chancing and glancing, she pierced me through and through. She fairly took my fancy and she stole awa my heart, when riding down to Glesga wi' my sour milk cart. I've heard of lords and ladies making love in shady boors, and who they wouldn't want among the roses and the flowers. I'll ne'er forget the morning when me Cupid flung his dart, and made me pop the question in the sour milk cart. She's never had a hurling in a carriage a' her days, but after I proposed to get a coach and pair of greys, na, she says, hers still are scarce, you ken we canna spare. I'd rather hae a joggling in your sour milk cart, wi' her cheeks a Ridin rosy and her eens a bonny blue. We chancing and glancing, she pierced me through and through. She fairly took my fancy and she stole awa my heart, when riding down to Glesga wi' my sour milk cart. When riding down to Glesga wi' my sour milk cart.